How to scan QR code from a screenshot. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Step 1. First, make sure the QR code is visible on your screen, whether it's in an email or from any social media. To take a screenshot on most Android phones, you have to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Once you do that, your phone will capture the screenshot. If your phone does not take a screenshot this way, take the method specific to your device with a quick Google search. After that, open Google Photos on your device and simply locate the screenshot taken on your device. Simply you have to locate the screenshot. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see several options. Tap on Google Lens icon. Google Lens will start analyzing the QR code. Tap continue button. After that, it will analyze the QR code in the photo. Once it recognizes the code, it will show you the link or website associated with the QR code. You can tap on the link or website shown and it will directly take you to the site. And that's it. You have successfully scanned a QR code from a screenshot on your Android phone. That's really simple. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.